Hi, this is Amanda with Amanda's Honest Answers, and I'm here today with my brand new Samsung. It is a 75-inch QLED. It is the new Q80 line from Samsung, and it is definitely a huge step up from the Q70, the previous line. It is a much crisper 4K picture, and you look at this here and you can see just how nice it is. It does the remote comes directly with, let's see, with Netflix buttons, and Prime Video and Samsung TV Plus. With the Samsung TV Plus, you do get tons of, actually, let's go to it this way. With the apps, there are actually tons of apps available. Let's see what we get. So there are so many. There are hundreds that you can sit here and go through of different apps in addition to your standard Netflix and Amazon Prime and whatnot like that. Now the cool thing about this is it does have an ambient mode. Let's see here. So you click on it and go to the left to go to ambient mode. Now it does have a few different options for ambient mode. There's a mode that you can basically have it choose the wall color behind your TV, and if you have it hanging mounted on the wall, it will come in just like it's a picture frame. Now this one is butterflies. I think my daughter chose that earlier. So that is a pretty cool feature. Some of them do play sounds and such as well. Actually, this one does. I've got the volume down kind of low right now, so you can hear. And the sound quality is phenomenal on here. I must say I've been quite blown away by how good it is. Oh, let me also add that, like many remote controls now, this one does have your talk button, so you can just talk right into it, and there is the ambient mode right there as well. This remote, if you see, these buttons actually stick up. These are toggles, so the plus minus toggle is on the left hand side. You can actually hold it down and get to the closed captioning or video description for accessibility reasons, and your channel changes on the right toggle. So these are very tactile for those that do need more of the accessibility options. And then the button in the very center, it's a circle, and it serves for your fast forward, your pause, your play, and whatnot such as that. And here's the home button. Jump back here. And again, these are just the ones that I've added. I do like the addition of Disney Plus on here, Apple TV even, YouTube. You can hook your SmartThings. I actually have the Smart Hub on my refrigerator. So one of the really awesome things is I can stream whatever I'm watching in the living room. I can stream to my refrigerator at the exact same time, and I can cook and you know, watch along with the family if I want to and not miss out on what's going on. You do have your standard internet browser as well, and lots of other apps, but I'm very impressed with this. It's a really crisp, clear picture, and super easy setup, plenty of spaces in the back for HDMI cables and other options, and I'm really liking the new Samsung Q80 QLED TV, and I would love to hear if you have any questions. I'll gladly answer them. Again, it's Amanda's Honest Answers. You can like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.